My name is Helen Northrup. I live in Petitcodiac, New Brunswick, Canada. In 2018, at age 79, I required hip replacement surgery. But living in New Brunswick, the surgery would be 2 years or longer to wait. So a friend of mine suggested that I talk to Dr. Jose Carrillo in Guadalajara, Mexico. So I flew down to Guadalajara and I had my consultation. The tests and all the work required was done within 1 week, and the surgery was completed on Monday, and it went very well. So this is now 2023, and I'm 84 years old. I live independently. I do my own housework. I shop locally. And I highly recommend Dr. Jose Carrillo and his staff of surgeons. They are kind, they are professional, and I am so happy that I had the surgery. Thank you.